this video, we're going to take a look at Stripe payment links, and more specifically the one that allows customers or the person who is making the payment to make a payment of any particular amount. So normally when you create a payment link within Stripe, it's linked to a product or service and the price here is predefined. In this video though, we're going to be looking at how to create the payment link in Stripe that allows somebody to enter in the amount that they actually want to pay. So there are a few different use cases for this. A lot of the time, ways we have set this up for people is they are sending a full invoice to a client, but then they just want the client to be able to make a deposit payment. So they've used this link directly on their emails from Stripe to allow the customers to then put in their own deposit. We've seen it used for people who want to allow people just to be able to make payments if and when they like. We've seen it used as like a thank you payment, like a bonus payment, or a reward for doing things. So there are a lot of different kind of use cases for this, but we've had a few questions on how to go about setting it up. So we're just going to take a look at how to do that. Now, so once you've logged into Stripe, just come to the payments menu item and then payment links on the left-hand side. So you'll see here there's been a bunch of different links we've created, and one of them that we have active now is the one for Project Box Services, which is where the customer chooses how much they're going to pay. So to create this page, we just go to the new button up the top right hand corner, and then under select type, you'll see here there is a drop down where you can link it to products or subscriptions within your Stripe account, or we now have an option here for customers choose what to pay. So again, they've got some examples. So tipping, donations, pay what you want. There's a few different ways you can use it. We need to give it a name. So here we call this Project Box Services, just so there's just something there for it. You can put the image, you can give people more information here about what they're paying for if you like. The currency, you can suggest a preset amount. So if you are using this for donations or tipping, you can obviously put this in and suggest the amount, which will then give a change amount button. You've then also got the option for what you would like to have as the button once they actually go to make the payment. You can add any custom fields for things that you're wanting to collect. You can put in tax ID numbers, addresses, all of that type of thing. And then after you've set up the payment page and the information that you're collecting, just click on after payment and make sure that you replace this default Stripe thanks for your payment message with a custom one, just to make it more within your own branding and your own workflows and processes. Or if you want to, you can redirect customers directly to a page on somewhere else rather than the confirmation page if you like. And then you can create an invoice PDF if you do, but just noting that there is a charge for that. And if people are already paying against invoices, you don't want that one anyway. And then once you're done, we just click on, let's just do what we need, show confirmation. Once you finish, up the top right hand corner, just click on create link. That's then going to give you this new link here, and this is the link that you can then share with people to go ahead and start collecting those payments from them. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to know if this is helpful or how you could potentially use it within your own business.